full arch replacement of your teeth is a way in which someone who's missing your teeth can get function and her smile back. It can be either dentures, or it can be implant supported dentures. Either way, it's giving you a way for you to chew, to smile, and just to be more confident in life. I get a few common questions about, what does it take to get a full arch set of teeth? First one is always, am I even a candidate for it? And first off, from a clinical point of view, we always want to know if you have enough bone. And we'll do that either doing a 3D scan on you, and we can see that. And if you don't have enough bone, there are many procedures that we can do to help get you there so that you are a candidate for the implants. Another common question I get is about whether or not it's going to be very painful. And I would say, it is a type of surgery, but we have plenty of anesthetic options for you so that you're very comfortable during the procedure. Teeth can be a big part of who you are, and we here at our office are able to help you get the smile that you want. We have all the resources here, from the surgery to the prosthetics to the state-of-the-art technology, to get you to the smile that you want.